Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. Today I want to bring up a topic regarding the October 19, 1987 crash, because this coming Monday, October 19, marks the 33rd year anniversary of the stock market crash in 1987. The chart that you're looking at right now was created by a Reddit member, and his name is Big Bear 0083. He made this chart and he made a comparison between the S&P 500 in 1987 and the red line, and the green line is what it is right now. And you can see there are some similarities, but of course there's some parts here in June and July where there's no similarities. This went down, but here it went up. But then you can see that there is some similarities as far as the overall pattern. And we don't know if this will be another crash like in 1987 where the stock market went down 20% in a single session. We're coming up to that period right now. If you're watching this video right now, you'll hopefully be prepared before Monday market opens. But I'm not saying that this is going to happen I'm not saying that this is going to happen on Monday. But it's just something to look out for, because there was a crash in October 19, 1987, and there's a slight chance that maybe there could be another crash coming in the stock market, but we don't really know that. The unsettling financial developments, including a widening trade deficit in the US and lofty equity valuations, and perhaps most importantly, the rise of computer trading, slammed the stock market with a toxic combination that led to one of the worst trading days in history. The Dow and the S&P both lost more than 20% in a single session, and you can see here that the S&P 500 went from 330 to roughly around 230, something like that. So this is something to look out for, guys. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. Some of the things to look out for that this Reddit member mentions is that there's plenty of ingredients that could potentially spark a downturn, such as another coronavirus wave, bloated valuations, the elections, riots, and massive weather events. And he mentions that these are things that could potentially cause another stock market crash. If we see another lockdown, or if we see more riots and more weather patterns that are destructive, and the elections and the disruptions of those elections, if there's more mass riots again of, the left versus the right, and the big riot happening and chaos and civil unrest, then that could really spark another downturn in the stock market. So we could see this being a very big indicator for another crash in the stock market if this truly continues on the way it is going, according to him. Investors have already proven to be ready to pull the selling trigger this year, with the Dow shedding more than 11% back in March, its worst trading day since that fateful day back in 1987. So back in March, 11% was dropped, and there could be more drops. So there could be another drop in the stock market if these trends continue, according to him. The biggest issue isn't the coronavirus, it's the emerging liquidity crisis. Kent Engelk, chief market strategist at Capital Securities Management, explained to MarketWatch at the time. It's frankly scary. It really shatters your confidence in the market. As for trading action on Friday, stocks snapped a 3-session skid to end a choppy week, even as the pandemic and the election continue to stir up uncertainty. Anyways, I just wanted to throw this out there. Again, I'm not trying to let anybody to get scared or frightened about the market crashing. I just wanted to advise people that tomorrow, Monday, October 19, 1987, was the day when the stock market crashed 20%, and this coming Monday would be the 33rd anniversary of that market crash. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys to look, and this pattern looks very eerie in comparison to what we are right now and where we were back in 1987. So I don't know. You guys leave your thoughts down below. Leave comments. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.